guys, welcome back. Andrew here on Too Many Projects, Not Enough Time again. We're up here at the lake once more and getting something else installed on the Can-Am Defender. Mind you, I do like the fact that Can-Am has done a lot of its custom extrusions and moldings of pillars and that sort of thing and gone away from the standard 1 3/4 inch standard roll bar tube. Although very proprietary and makes it hard to buy, well, affordable accessories, things like rear view mirrors, for example, because you're almost locked into getting the Can-Am Defender one from Can-Am, which is crazy money for just a rear view mirror. So how I got around that is on the flat crossbar across the front of the roof that's on the cage, instead of being a 3/4 inch tube or something between the drivers and passengers part of the cage, they have a flat metal section under the roof that supports the roof at the front. So when I did my roof, which I did I guess a custom roof, not a manufactured one or OEM, I basically bolted down through 2 existing holes in that panel with 3/8 coach bolts from the top of the roof down through and bolted up underneath. That holds the roof on. There's about a 1/2 inch rubber spacer in there as well. But I want to put a rear view mirror in there, and I don't want to pay crazy Can-Am prices. So what I've come up with, or what I've fabricated, is basically got myself some 1 3/4 inch light wall tubing, and put on some angles on the ends, made them look pretty snazzy, and then drilled the holes in the ends here, 35 inches apart, which is how far apart the roof bolts are, coming through those factory holes in that panel. And basically we're going to bolt this up underneath that panel, and then using this cheap, inexpensive rear view mirror off Amazon, which simply bolts on using these extrusions, basically going around the tube here, pinching down, and then that will mount on the roof, mounting your mirror to it. So that gives you a ton of adjustment with your mirror, depending on where you pivot and angle it to. So that being said, let's go on outside there and get it mounted up and bolted up, and let's take a look. The other advantage of having this as well, and being 35 inches wide across the front there, is if you wanted, say, a couple of smaller mirrors pointing different directions, or any other accessories that are kind of UTV, ATV based accessories that are designed to mount through to a 1 3/4 inch roll bar or cage tube, then you can also mount them to this as well. So you could go ahead and mount your iPad off this, your phone off this, all sorts of your speakers off this, all sorts of accessories. So this basically just gives you an accessory bar. Now I'm so far only using it for a mirror, but it is a great accessory bar for underneath the front edge of that roof there. So let me show you where it goes and how it goes in. And great option to save a little bit of money. I fabricated this myself. It's really not that hard. 1 3/4 inch tube, and then a couple of brackets welded on the end, painted black, bolted in, good to go. Let's go out and take a look.